रहे थे कि मकतबा हमीदिया जिसके निगरां 50 साल तक जनाब मोहम्मद हामिद अली साहब रहे हैं, उस मकतबे से बड़े बड़े तालिब इल्म निकले हैं जिसमें आज बहुत से बच्चे जामिया मिया इस्लामिया में हैं, बहुत से बच्चे ने अपना ख़ुद का बिज़नेस कर लिया है, तमाम बच्चे कामयाबी की राह में गामज़न हैं। उसी में का एक बच्चा अजीज़म फराज आएंगे और वो जनाब मोहम्मद हामिद अली साहब के बारे में एक अपनी मुख्तसर तकरीर पेश करेंगे। अजीज़म फराज।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वल आक़िबतु लिल मुत्तक़ीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिहिल करीम मुहम्मदिन व आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन। अम्मा बाद। Honorable President, the Chief Guest, esteemed guests on the stage, and the respected audience seated before me, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, we are gathered here to remember the personality and achievements of Janab Hamid Ali Saheb. I am a student, humbly attempt to speak about such a distinguished personality. Janab Muhammad Hamid Ali Saheb was a person of high qualities, belonging not only to a well-known family of Gorakhpur, but also to one of the most respected families in eastern Uttar Pradesh. Hamid Ali Saheb was a great personality and a prominent member of a noble family in Gorakhpur. His father's name was Sajid Ali, who was counted among the prominent lawyers of the city. Hamid Ali Saheb was born in 1926 in Mohalla Chode Qazipur, Gulafsha Manzil. He received his early education at Miya Islamia Inter College and St. Edu's College. For higher education, he went to Aligarh Muslim University, where he completed his studies. Ancestors of Muhammad Hamid Ali Saheb were prominent landlords from the town of Dospur in Sultanpur. After the first war of independence in 1857, his great-grandfather left Sultanpur and made Gorakhpur city his new home, where he settled permanently. The great-grandfather of Hamid Ali Saheb, Mahboob Ali, was a lawyer in the civil court of Gorakhpur. His grandfather, Amjad Ali, was a public prosecutor in the district court of Basti. His father, Sajid Ali Saheb, also worked as a renowned lawyer in the civil court of Gorakhpur. Due to his capabilities, the then government of Uttar Pradesh selected him for the position of honorary special magistrate, and he was appointed as the honorary magistrate of Gorakhpur. He remained in this position of the entire duration of his service. Hamid Ali Saheb was a man of many qualities that he had inherited, and it is essential to mention them. Respected audience, Hamid Ali Saheb had a deep love and affection for the Urdu language and literature. In fact, he was driven by a passion to promote the Urdu language. Wherever he went, he remained committed to the education and promotion of Urdu. He kept telling the responsible authorities that Urdu language education should be prioritized, and this language should be promoted because it is the language through which all culture and historical heritage is connected. One of the notable qualities of Hamid Saheb was that he was very fond of books. Since his days of study, he would buy and read Urdu newspapers and magazines and preserve them. He has set up a library in his home that contains a collection of books and magazines from both the old and modern eras. He has equipped a library in his house with a collection of ancient and modern books and magazines which benefited the student. and future generations will also be benefited from Hamid Sahab's library. Hamid Ali Sahab was a very kind, friendly and sincere person in his practical life. It has been his style to treat his visitors and guests with ethics and sincerity. His personality was an unparalleled example of wisdom, insight, wealth, power, awe, majesty, friendliness, elegance, simplicity and glory. He also treated children with immense love and compassion. Hamid Ali Sahab was active in the nation's politics from the beginning and was member of the municipal board and chairman of its different departments for a long time. He patronized many educational and political organizations of the city and was always active for the welfare of the community. His social, educational, political and literary welfare services in the city of Gorakhpur are unforgettable. It is noteworthy that he used to organize meetings and gatherings to remember the services of academic, literary, religious and social personalities, in which people of knowledge and literature from each and every corner of the city participated. This tradition is still continued by the descendants of Hamid Sahab. Apart from literary and social services, he was very fond of gardening. He used to bring good fruit plants for his garden from distant places, and he used to go to his garden every evening and take care of the plants. He was also interested in farming. As long as Hamid Ali Sahab was alive, he continued to spread the fragrance of literature, and after his sad demise, the legacy transferred to his sons. His sons have not only kept alive the tradition of the elders, but also have tried their best to promote it further. Along with all the services, Hamid Sahab had a great passion for khidmat-e-khalq. He built madrasas for orphans, made arrangements for their food and lodging, helped the widows and poor, and fulfilled the needs of the needy. Such a great personality can never be forgotten, nor can his achievements be forgotten. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that it is the need of the day and our duty to carry forward the educational awareness mission of Hamid Ali Sahab. The youth of the community should learn from his life and try to excel of education. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive him and grant him a high place in Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
इस बच्चे को मोहतरम जनाब हाफिज़ इलियास साहब ने पढ़ाया भी है, पूरी तैयारी कराया है। हम उनसे गुजारिश करेंगे कि आप स्टेज पे तशरीफ़ ले आएँ ताकि हम लोग एक बुके देकर इस इतने बड़े कारनामे के लिए आपका इस्तकबाल करें। हाफिज़ इलियास साहब। इस बीच हमारे एक मेहमान खुसूसी मोहतरम जनाब डॉक्टर वजाहत करीम साहब तशरीफ़ ले आए हैं। हम मोहतरम जनाब आसिफ सईद साहब से गुजारिश करेंगे कि आप स्टेज पर तशरीफ़ ले आएँ। मोहतरम जनाब डॉक्टर वजाहत करीम साहब को एक बुके और मोमेंटो देकर आप उनका इस्तकबाल करें। मोहतरम जनाब डॉक्टर अजीज़ अहमद साहब भी हमारे बीच में मौजूद हैं, हमारे मेहमान खुसूसी आप हैं। इसके अलावा श्री राजेश कुमार सिंह जी, श्री मनोज कुमार सिंह जी, हमारे बहुत ही मोअज़्ज़िज़ प्रिंसिपल सेंट एंड्रूज डिग्री कॉलेज मोहतरम जनाब CO मैनुअल साहब, हमारे बहुत गोरखपुर के बड़ी सामाजिक कारकुन मोहतरमा परमजीत कौर साहिबा, तमाम लोग हमारे बीच में इस वक्त मौजूद हैं। मोहतरम डॉक्टर वजाहत करीम साहब और मेरे वालिद साहब का बड़ा ज़बरदस्त रिश्ता था। एक बड़ा अच्छी बात मैं आपको बताऊं कि मेरे वालिद साहब का हर साल अपोलो दिल्ली में चेकअप होता था। सारा चेकअप वहाँ होता था, वहाँ के डॉक्टर दवा लिखते थे, वो सारी रिपोर्टें और सारा नुस्खा गोरखपुर आता था। वो जाता था डॉक्टर वजाहत करीम साहब के पास, और मोहतरम डॉक्टर वजाहत करीम साहब के नुस्खे पे जो दवाएं लिखी मिलती थी उनको मेरे वालिद साहब उसी को इस्तेमाल करते थे। उन्हें इतना यकीन था डॉक्टर वजाहत करीम साहब के ऊपर, बड़े एहसानात उनके हमारे ऊपर हैं।